All right, let's talk about Solana. Solana seems to be having a really good time. Uh, yep. Right. Solana seems to be having really good time. If you watched the previous video, Shiba Inu, where I explain how the structure of altcoins is kind of hanging in the balance because of the way BTC and BTC is reacting. It could be forming a local top where it kind of blows off some steam, uh, punishes the early longers, and then continues to go higher, right? That could be taking place right now. And I do not know the extent of the downswing that's going to happen, if it is actually going to happen. So I am kind of staying out of it. And if you like Shiba, the analysis that we do here, make sure to follow FX Street on YouTube, which is over here. And if you like the analysis that I do, you can follow me on my Twitter, which is Mangeko with the 0 in the end. Right, so let's head straight back into Sol, what Sol is doing. So I've drawn a fib extension from the 23rd May drop to the swing high on 21st August. And yeah, and I see Sol getting rejected at the 161.8 fib here, exactly like to the dot, getting rejected over here. And as you can see, it kind of Solana kind of completely ignored the sell signal formed by the MR indicator here and proceeded to rally higher, tag the 161 fib. So as long as we don't get like a clear close above the 161.8 fib, I don't see any, I don't see how Sol could go higher. Like right now, if Sol doesn't close above this, I'm expecting like a retracement or probably like a consolidation, like what happened here or here or here. Like you can see that kind of stuff happening here, right? If it does close above it, it would be a bullish sign, and you can expect Sol to continue this rally, this exponential rally higher. But other than that, right now, like I mentioned in the ship video, if since Bitcoin looks kind of bad right now, it could be forming a local top. And on that particular note, I feel like Solana needs to take a break, blow off some steam, retrace to crucial levels. Uh, so where is it going to retrace to? Right? If we're being optimistic, it's going to come down to the 50 fib, which kind of is just below this small consolidation that took place here, around the $130 level. But if that actually doesn't really work out, I'm expecting it to come into this high probability reversal zone that ranges right from here to here. Right, so it's ranging from $93 to 115. It could go anywhere in this range, right? You can expect Sol to do this and then go higher, or go lower and do this, right? Either way, right now I'm expecting a probably from the current price, it's a 30% retracement, or if we're being a little too bearish, a 43% retracement, right? But I still don't believe, and that's only possible if we breach below this red candle's body here, which comes around $140 level. Let me just go down to a lower time frame so it becomes a little clear. And let me remove this, right? So yeah, once we breach the 140 level here, I think that's when you start to see if it's either going to go down to the 50 fib and reverse, or if it's actually going to come down to this high probability reversal zone, ranging from $93 to $115. But other than that, like Sol looks pretty solid, and it could continue the upswing, right? It could continue the upswing and hit the 200 fib here at 341, but yeah, that's too much of a stretch on, and this is only possible if it's an actual bull run happening, a full-fledged bull run where Bitcoin is gonna go tag the $100,000 level. In that case, yeah, it makes sense for Sol to go to 300. But if not, expect a minimum of 24% retracement from Sol.